PierTech is proud to announce the opening of our new 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility, purpose-built to produce high-capacity, large-diameter helical piers. This expansion represents a major investment in our customers and our future. With increased production capacity, streamlined manufacturing, and dedicated equipment, we're able to deliver faster lead times, custom engineered solutions, and the quality our customers have come to expect. The first phase of the facility is now complete, and our manufacturing team is already producing piers for projects across the country.
We manufacture our high-capacity Hercules lines. We have 12 welding cells, each installing 20-foot sections in this facility.
As demand for deep foundation solutions continues to grow in the industrial, commercial, and utility markets, this new facility positions PierTech to meet that demand with greater speed, capacity, and innovation. This is more than a new building. It's the next chapter in the PierTech story, a continued commitment to American manufacturing, engineering excellence, and helping our customers build with confidence from blueprint to bedrock.